Hello and welcome to Coffee with Carey. I'm Carey. I was just thinking it would be quite amusing if someone wanted to play a trick on me and put a note on the bottom of my coffee cup for all of you to see. Fortunately, I don't live with any crazy people like that. So what I wanted to talk about today was just a really brief update on the Latisse. I made a video with a warning about the application process with Latisse for eyelash lengthening and thickening up your brows a bit. And I realized I did not give you a close-up at all of what was currently going on with my lashes, and I wanted to do that so that we could sort of track it together now that I am in the past week or so seeing some results from those 3 months of applications. It's really true that you see nothing for about 12-16 weeks. I think I'm at about 15 now, and it was at about 13 weeks that I started seeing filling in of bare spots, and extra hair growth is something that is secondary to that length. So mine are pretty long right now, and I did want to just take this opportunity to zoom you in and show you my lashes so that we could track this together as time goes by, and you will get an accurate representation of what's going on and how well the Latisse is working for me, so that I could be your before and after if you are thinking about trying Latisse or doing this experiment as I have decided to. Whether I will continue to do it will depend upon my results, my end results, after I've been doing it for, I think I'll try like 2 bottles of it. I did mention in my previous video that there are always sales going on. In the other video, I did give you a link to Groupon, which is where I've been seeing just incredible prices, well under $100 in my neighborhood. I'll put that underneath this video as well in the comment section if you want to try to do it that way. I mean, I don't think you need a fabulous doctor to get a prescription for Latisse. They're not doing anything that really requires a medical license even. So, but it does still require a doctor's prescription. So I'm going to zoom you in a little bit so you can see my lashes, and we'll call it a day. Here we go. I'm not sure that's going to work. If it doesn't, I will insert some still photos so that you can see what's going on. And if you have any questions about my experience thus far, please leave them down below in the comment section. I hope you will subscribe to my channel so you can keep up not only on my Latisse adventures, but also some of the other things I love to talk about: makeup, fashion, dating advice for you. If you didn't know, I'm a matchmaker and a dating coach here in real life. Just all types of topics as they are pertinent to us as women in our 50s. I am a person who loves being positive, and embracing this age is what I'm all about. And I think long eyelashes are something that I want to have in my 60s, so I've started this adventure now in my 50s. So please hit that ring bell button if you want to be notified every time I upload a new video, and I will look forward to seeing you next time. Have a good one.